Conflicts can arise anywhere at school, in the neighborhood, or even among friends. Our activity, Handle a Complaint, helps you learn how to react calmly and effectively in such situations. Today, I'll guide you through this short exercise designed to raise awareness about peaceful conflict resolution and how to regulate emotions in tense moments. Here's what you need to get started: a sheet of paper and a pen for each participant. A peaceful space where everyone can comfortably share their thoughts. Now, let's begin. I'll start by reading the beginning of a story aloud. Mark walks very happily in the park when suddenly he sees John coming toward him. John has a very strange look on his face. Mark wonders what is happening. They approach and greet each other, but immediately John starts shouting. He says that Mark has made him look very bad in front of the other kids in the neighborhood, that he is a bad friend, and blames him for everything that happens to him. Then Mark. Now, take a moment to imagine how you would react in Mark's situation. After hearing the story, write down how you would react. Be honest, there's no right or wrong answer. Think about how you would feel and what you would do next. Once everyone has written their responses, we'll share our ideas as a group. The facilitator will classify the answers into two categories: peaceful solutions that escalate the conflict, aggressive actions that could escalate it. Remember, this isn't about judging answers, it's about exploring different ways to handle conflict. Now let's reflect on the activity with these questions. How might the conflict escalate if aggressive actions were chosen? So, what would happen if peaceful methods were used instead? Why do you think John was so angry? Could he have misunderstood Mark? Have you ever felt like Mark or misunderstood someone in your own life? By reflecting, we can better understand the importance of peaceful communication and the bright side of resolving conflicts calmly. This activity is a powerful way to practice self-awareness, manage emotions, and explore peaceful solutions to conflicts. Remember, every conflict is an opportunity to grow and connect with others. Now, it's your turn to try this activity.